Hello! How are you everyone, guys? I hope you have a good day to all and everyone. Ito yung update natin, guys. Medyo feel nag-relaxing na tayo at this moment. So, yun. Nakaano na din tayo, guys. Tapos na tayo lahat. Tapos na naligo. Ayun. Tuyo na ang buhok natin. Nakapag-beauty-beauty na din tayo, guys. So, feel fresh na tayo, guys. Ayun, tapos na din tayo nakakain, nakapag-coffee na, So, yun lang, guys. Thank you so much. Have a week, have happy weekend, and have a blessed day to all. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching, guys. Maraming salamat. Have a good day, everyone. Keep safe.